Hey guys, so in this tutorial, I want to share with you how you can create a product collection on your Shopify. All right, so you go to your Shopify dashboard and then you go to create product. For you to have a product collection, you first have to have a few products on your store. If you're drop shipping and you're making use of a drop shipping app, for dropshipping app, of course, you know dropshipping is a fulfillment model where you're uh, using a supplier to fulfill the product orders. So if you're drop shipping and you're using one of the drop shipping apps like CJ Dropshipping and all of that, then you have to go to apps, right? And then you have to search for the dropshipping app you're making use of. So assuming you're making use of CJ Dropshipping, you just search for CJ Dropshipping or any app you're making use of. So you could just go here and install CJ Dropshipping and connect it, and then you could create and import product through the app. There are a lot of dropshipping apps that you could definitely make use of, like Spocket. All right. So if you're making use of Spocket app as well, it's kind of the same process. You just go to Spocket and then you can import product from the app. So that's if you're making use of an app. However, you could be drop shipping using a private supplier. In this case, probably the private supplier doesn't have an app on the Shopify store, doesn't have APIs and all the software, but the private dropshipper or supplier does have the product you want to sell and you want to make use of that private supplier. So in such a case, definitely you would have to get pictures of the product and then upload it. And you'd also do this also if you're keeping inventory of the product. Of course, you know you're keeping inventory of the product, then you're not drop shipping, you're a retail business. Anyways, this tutorial, we're going to be showing you how to create upload products from the scratch on Shopify dashboard and not through an app. Okay, so now you know the use case for each of these methods. Let's go right into it. So we're in the product section of our Shopify dashboard, and then we'll go to add products. And once we click on add product, we could then enter the title. So let's say pink braid wigs. All right. And then we can enter the description. So just enter whatever description. The best pink braid wigs, whatever. Just write the description. While you're writing the description of your product, there is a lot of customization and editing options that you can make use of. You could bold, you could put in italics, you could underline, you could add photo, you could add videos and all of that. You could add links. Okay, well, so once you're done with that, you'd have to add the product image. Okay, so we add an image from the computer, and then you'd have to put price. So I'll put $1.99, and then you have to put compare price, which is like the original price the product is before $2.99. So we're trying to tell our customers that the product is originally for $2.99, but we'll be selling it on our site for $1.99. Okay, so you could put cost per item. It wouldn't show to your customers, but it's just for your own personal reference. If you have barcode and stuff, you could put your barcode, and SKU is your stock keeping unit, and track quantity, continue selling when out of stock, whatever suits your, you could put all of that. So availability, like available products, let's just put 200. So that's like saying we have 200 of this product in stock. Could enable shipping or disable the shipping. This is a physical product. the weight of the product, you could put that, and then the country, region this product has. So over here, search engine listing, you can edit how you want this product to show up on the search engine, and then you save. Okay, so now we just created our first product. So let's go ahead and create 2 more products. So having saved this, now we have 3 products. So we can now create a collection. So we go to create collections. Under create collections, let's just call this the best braid wig collection. You could enter whatever title you want. So on the description, you could just enter the description for that collection. You could bold italics. You could use all these editing options, put pictures and video. So your collection type could be manual. If it's manual, you would manually add the product you want in that collection. If it's automated, that means you're going to be creating conditions. So any product that meets that condition would automatically be added to your collection. So there are different conditions you could create, but let's try out this one, price. So let's say it's greater than, and let's put $0. So this means that any product that is greater than $0 would automatically be added to this collection. So we could edit the way we want the collection page to show up on our search engine. And guys, that is all. We'll save. And once we save and we click back on collections, these collections will start to show. Then we've created it. So let's go back. We didn't add a collection image, so let's add a collection image. All right, so let's use a photo for a collection image. Good. So let's save. Let's save again. Right. And then when we click on collections, that has been updated, and we now have this collection. And you can see here that we have 3 products, and that is because the 3 products we created, they were all more than $0. So they all automatically got added to this collection. So you can see the product conditions in this collection is price is greater than $0. So for all product that is greater than $0, based on the conditions we set for this collection, they would automatically be added to this collection. All right, guys, hope you find this tutorial helpful. Take care.